Hello and welcome! Today we'll be making these kitty cat pumpkin earrings. Grab your supplies and let's do it! To make the pumpkin, roll out a ball of orange clay and then take something round like a bead and make an indentation on both ends. Use a toothpick or a needle tool and make lines down the center of the pumpkin. To make your pumpkin top, roll out a small ball of orange clay. Place it on top of your round item and flatten it. Use a flat-ended tool to make indentations along the rim of the pumpkin top. Use a wedge tip tool to make indentations on the top of the pumpkin. Use a tool and make a hole at the top of the pumpkin. Roll out a piece of brown clay into a wedge shape. And then place this in the top of the pumpkin. To make the cat head, roll out a ball of black clay into an oval or round shape. And place this on top of the pumpkin. Use a tool and make indentations where the eyes will be. Roll out 2 small balls of white clay and place them in the holes. And then pat them into place. Roll out a piece of white clay until it is very thin. Cut off 2 pieces that are of equal length. Bend each of them into a U shape and then place them on the cat face for the mouth. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to my channel. I do post videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday. Make sure you have them set on the face where you want them before patting them into place. Take a small ball of pink clay and roll it into a wedge shape. Place this just above the cat mouth. This will be its nose. Roll out your white clay until it is thin, and then cut off 4 pieces of equal length. Roll them until they are thin and wispy. And then place these on the cat face. These will be the cat whiskers. Use your needle tool and poke a hole in the center of each eye. Roll out 2 balls of black clay into small pill shapes. Place these on the pumpkin, just below the cat head. These will be its arms. Make sure they curve slightly. And then use a needle tool and make 2 lines on the ends of each arm. This will be its paws. Roll out a small piece of black clay so that the middle is thick and each end comes to a point. Do the same with the pink clay. Place this in the center of the black clay. And then cut it in half. These will be your cat ears. You only need one ear for each cat. Place this on top of your cat head. Again, roll out another piece of black clay so that the center is thick and the ends come to a point. This will be your cat tail. Use a tool and make an indentation at the very back of the pumpkin. Place the thicker ended side of the tail into this hole. And then curve the tail around to the front. You can shape it however you would like. Take your pumpkin top and place it on the cat head, opposite the cat ear. Use your needle tool and make an indentation in the center of the cat ear. Pre-poke your eye hook holes and then add your eye hooks in. Bake your pieces. Glue in your eye hooks and resin. To assemble your earrings, all you need is a jump ring and an earring hook. And your kitty cat earrings are done. Check back tomorrow and every day for the month of October. I am posting 31 videos this month in celebration of Halloween. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!